Okay, we're working on a 1996 F-250. I helped a friend put a lift pump in, and his vehicle will not start. And so now we notice, I'll get a shot of this scan tool for you if it'll focus. We have a very low control pressure. It was smoking out the tailpipe before, but now when I crank it, it won't even build 200 psi. So I know some of you have probably ran into this before, so we're going to try to get into it and see what is going on, what happened, and we'll get back to you. Oh, after a little diagnostics, here's the connector for his IPR valve. Looks like some mice have gotten in there, and these two wires were touching, essentially shorting a straight short to the PCM. So instead of just trying to wrap them with tape, I am going to get a repair connector and fix it right, and then I will update you, and hopefully it starts. Okay, YouTubers, I'll be back. Okay, YouTubers, we're back. As you can tell, the vehicle started, and it's running really good. Customer's very happy. Had to get the repair connector from the local Ford dealership, which wasn't cheap, but so if you ever had that problem on a 7.3 and even the 6.0, a non-start, always check the high pressure oil, because that's what runs the injectors. Of course the IDM on this one does too. But yeah, that connector was just, both wires were touching, just shorting it out. So I'm happy, customer's happy. I had to keep this video short because this is my first one, and YouTube is only limiting me to 10 minutes or so. But hopefully I can put some more up there as I'm getting more business. But if you like this video, and if it helped you, or if you can help somebody else, please like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Tell me what I can do better. And I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. One thing I forgot to mention is check your batteries. These batteries only had 9.5 volts in them, so we ended up getting some new ones too. Some of the red top Optimas. So these things are known for the PCM dropping out if it goes below 9.5 volts, and you think it's cranking good, but the PCM will drop out and it won't fire. So just so he wouldn't have that problem in the future, we replaced his 5-year-old batteries, put some deep cycle Optimas. So just keep that in mind, YouTubers. Thanks for watching.